Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the battery in a Kia key fob. There are a couple different key fobs that Kia has. One has a button on it, but this is going to be a walkthrough on how to change the one that does not have the button. Over time you're going to notice that your key fob will have reduced range and also intermittent functionality. Usually when you start noticing this happen, it's a good time to change your battery. This project only requires some small screwdrivers, so let's get started. Alright, this is going to be for the Kia key fob that does not have the button on the actual fob. So we're going to actually have to open it up through this crevice right here. So go ahead and open the key fob. Once you open it, you're going to take a small flathead screwdriver, and if you see there's going to be a lip right inside here, there's going to be a gap between this piece of plastic and that piece of plastic. You're just going to take your screwdriver and you're going to stick it inside that lip and just pop it apart. And then it'll just open up. Alright, once you open it up, you're going to have 4 Phillips screw holes. Again, these are going to take the small electronic screwdrivers. Go ahead and remove these screws. Alright, once you get the 4 screws removed, there's going to be a little plastic cover here, and you're just going to lift this up. And inside is your CR2032 battery. Take your flathead screwdriver and then just use that to gently pop the battery out. Like that. All right, go ahead and take out your new battery, and you're gonna put it back in the same way you took it out. Just slide it towards the top and it clips into place. Take your cover and place it back over the battery and then reinstall the screws. Once you get the screws back in, go ahead and take your cover, and this just will snap back on. As you can see on the cover, there are these little clips on both sides. These will fit right down into here. So you want to make sure you start on that side, clip it in, and then you just want to push it down on this side till it clicks. And you're good to go. Alright, well that's how you change the battery in a Kia key fob. It is good practice to change out the battery at least once a year, or it's a good idea to change it out when you start to notice the range and functionality issues. If you found the video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.